Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to go over taking the deck off this 1772. So we appreciate you watching the channel, and here's the video on removing the Haban deck. Well, we were able to get the Haban off this 1772. Going to have to remove the fan shroud to get the belt off for the mule drive. Put the quad ribs on this machine here. I've already had this running. I'm going to get it in the shop, and on the next video, I'll show you what's exactly wrong. One issue, it does have a broken case in it. You can move this up and down, so we're going to get it in, get it running again. Probably going to restore this one, change the panels on it, check the wiring harness, and go from there. Going to give it a bath the next video, and we'll see you on it. So thank you very much for viewing Macland Cadet, and we'll see you again.